If you want to remove your profile picture on X application, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open up the X application on your phone, and you'll have to tap on your profile picture located on the top right, top left corner of your screen, and then you'll have to tap on your profile. Then you'll have to tap on edit profile option next to your profile picture. Now you'll have to tap on your existing profile picture. Now basically it gives you two options. The first one is take photo and the second one is choose existing photo. Now there is no option, unfortunately, to remove your current profile picture, but there is a bit tricky. You have to go back and go to any of your browsers on Android, or if you're an iPhone, you can go to Safari browser and then simply search for default profile picture. And then you'll have to download this one. Make sure to download this one, Wikipedia Commons. Tap on it and you'll have to long press it. You'll be able to find an option of download image. I have already downloaded it. I will go back to X application. I'll simply tap on my existing profile picture. I will choose existing photo and then select that avatar that I have downloaded. Then hit use on the top right corner and then select save on the top right corner again. Now tap on not now. Now you can see my profile picture is successfully removed. It was a bit tricky, but we have successfully removed our profile picture on Twitter. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.